Dollar index daily time frame. This trend line finally break out. Now price flying outside this trend line, and it is constantly going up since starting of the month. But problem is this tech setup, trend line breakout. This is number one crowded trade. Everyone right now bullish on dollar. Everyone going mad on dollar. When it was going down for last 6 months, everyone was bearish, but suddenly in 2 weeks, everyone become bullish. So before dollar index goes 101, I am telling in advance, dollar index now highly overbought. Especially next 2 weeks until July month end, big FOMC coming. Big because Trump saying to fire Powell. If Powell is leaving, then why we are worried about July FOMC meeting? Plus, blackout period started, but that does not apply on shadow Fed chair Kevin. He can say anything and market will move. So next 2 weeks, by the time FOMC complete, clarity come, July will end, August month will start. Now if you see weekly time frame, just 3 candlestick, instantly it become overbought. But again, compared to this price length, this small spike, but it is overbought. Before FOMC meeting, anything can happen. Be careful. Dollar index monthly time frame. After so many red candlesticks, July month saw instant U-turn, but now overbought. So July last working day FOMC decision, when clarity will come. Watch carefully where this month candlestick close. Now let's see all currency pair one by one. One of them Euro USD H4 time frame. Nice trend line, testing multiple time. You can see so many retests, so it is strong trend line. Last week you saw a spike when he said he will fire Powell. Instantly he changed his statement after market reaction. So that was first spike. More will come because dollar is highly overbought. So be careful. Euro USD can make big upside correction. Same thing with GBPUSD daily time frame, because we are bearish dollar short term. That means we are bullish on GBPUSD. Our original trade plan, finally trend line testing, strong trend line and big static support 134, both at same place. If price goes down more, be careful because we are bearish dollar. Because these move need counter trend correction at least 1 week before start going down more. So trend line and static support 134, both testing same time. USD JPY, some viewer were asking why we are not talking about USD JPY. Since we are bearish dollar, after this downside move, this can be our AVC flat correction, almost 50% complete this recent wave. But this pair after that CPI and PPI, this pair highly overbought. So if this is ABC flat correction, 50% retracement complete, now it is ready to go down. I am talking about timing part. Let's see how low dollar goes down this week, because immediately FOMC speculation start. So we have only 1 week. So we are bearish dollar, downside move W, AVC flat correction. Next wave downside can be Y wave. USD CHF daily time frame, price only tested and we turned bearish dollar. So this is the place you cannot buy dollar. Wait for new lower low. Bearish, you can try selling small size, high risk, because it is already down a lot. But we are bearish dollar. USDCAD daily time frame, you have clear static support and resistance, super clear level. We are bearish dollar this week, so watch carefully, avoid buying entry. Let's see how this pair react under weak dollar this week. Bitcoin daily time frame, you have two important news. You have seen rejection last week, new high but instant rejection. Almost there near upper part of this channel. Bitcoin, silver, US stock, everything is flying. NAP is strong, CPI higher than expected. And inflation expectations, they are falling, but if you use gold and Bitcoin as inflation hedge, then they are up, which confirm final condition index are very loose. In this condition, Fed cannot do dovish cut like he did in September 2024. All the person who talking about rate cut in news, it is politics, it is Fed job race. More you talk about cut, more your chance increase for next Fed chair. So except those person, you can see everyone already hawkish. That is monetary policy direction. Second, Trump increased debt almost 400 billion. Bitcoin spiked instantly. Latest FOMC minute if you read. They increased debt. Powell hint in FOMC minute. They will continue QT till 2026. Now silver. Weekly time frame parallel channel upper trend line retest again. Fifth retest, clear retest last week upper trend line. Instant rejection. Last week test but rejection same time. So silver highly overbought, looks most crowded trade right now. So watch carefully how silver react. That is weekly time frame. For more clarity daily, price currently trading in fifth wave. Everyone makes bullish on silver. Subwave you already know. Plus a trend line. Strong trend line. Here this area near $39 if you see. Price goes up more. Then you have weekly time frame trend line. Price start going down. Then you have daily time frame trend line. There is no room for silver to spike more. You can see Nvidia stock vertical line constantly going up. So clearly final condition index, they are loose, very loose, and more confirmed by Bitcoin trading at all-time high same time. Gold is sideways but Bitcoin very high. In this condition they cannot do dovish cut. So huge doubt if Fed were talking about clear 25 basis point cut in next 2 weeks, because you cannot do. You tried last year, September 2024, you have to pause and still you have a doubt cut or not. If you start prematurely once again, then you will have same problem. SP 500 monthly time frame, July month historically first half very good for stock, second half very bad. But before Monday market open next 2 weeks, we are bearish dollar. We are talking about clear rate cut. NAP was strong. CPI was higher than expected. Everything already trading at all-time high. This look like recession cancel. You have to wait at least 1 week. Then FOMC. Immediately few days after FOMC meeting, everything will be clear. Your tariff deadline, that 50% copper tariff stay or not. They do cut in July or not. But you have to wait 1 more week in SP 500. Let's see dollar index daily time frame once more. This week we are bearish dollar. It is overbought. Since April, dollar index is sideways, no change, same price. At the same time, gold is also sideways. So gold and dollar both are sideways since April month, no change, same price. So watch carefully this week, weak dollar, how it will affect gold. But recently, candle by candlestick, dollar and gold not following all relation. But since mid-April you can see both are sideways. Same place, same price, no change.